Hello viewers, hopefully you all are okay and enjoying your daily routine life. I'm here with the latest collection of the high heels as you can watch on the screen. These are the beautiful and charming heels, and first of all please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon button so that you don't miss any of the update. Whenever I will upload a video, you will get a notification that I have uploaded a video, and then you can watch my videos as well. I have uploaded a lot of videos in my YouTube channel for the high heels with different designs, with different colors, a lot of variety. Please visit my YouTube channel and watch the videos of the high heels of the latest trends. So these are the most beautiful and elegant designs which are trending these days, so I have shared them on this. I will tell you how to buy these heels as well, and first of all please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon button, and I request you to please share of my videos and channel to your friends, family members, relatives who want to wear high heels or who likes to wear the high heels. Girls mostly wear the high heels on their special occasions like engagements, weddings, or their dissertations, thesis, or any of their special events like seminars, conferences. They also like to wear heels. Working women also like to wear heels on their special occasions or on their daily basis. So those girls who have interviews in coming days, then I will recommend you to wear the heel and go for the interview, as when you walk with the heel it enhances your confidence level and you will walk like a charming girl, so it enhances your confidence and beauty as well, and you look more confident in heel. So I will recommend you to wear heels. And now I will tell you how to buy these heels online. So I will share 2 or 3 Instagram pages from where you will find these heels. First of all, the first page I will tell you about the Aldo brand, which is very famous brand and their heels are most charming and beautiful. You just have to search the Aldo brand on the Instagram page, and then in Instagram pages you will find these beautiful heels, and then which heel you like the most, you just have to text them, or in the comment section you have to do a comment. They will reach you in the inbox and you have to tell your feet size or color or the delivery address where you want to deliver your order or the heel, and also the payment method. Then the order will be delivered to your doorstep within 10 to 15 working days. So this is a very simple and easy method to buy heels, as I know every girl is now busy, and they feel it very difficult to go for a shopping in the shopping malls or shops or the brand outlets, then search the heels and then find buy them. So it looks very difficult for them. So most of the girls nowadays buy online shopping, and they find the trustworthy websites to buy these heels. So I will share here the most trustworthy brand pages like Big Tree brand, which is also very famous brand of the high heels, and also Jimmy Choo brand. From the Jimmy Choo brand page Instagram you can also buy these heels, and also the Aldo brand where you will find these beautiful heels. And in the last, please again I will request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon button, and if you like my videos then please tell me in the comments.